Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix no sound on Premiere Pro, and I will show you 3 things that you can do to fix this problem. The first step is look at your timeline and maybe you put on the M right here, and that means mute. So make sure that you turn off the green button right here. So right now we can hear sound. Then the other step is go to Edit, Preferences, Audio Hardware. And then on audio hardware, make sure that your default output is on the system that you want to use or the product. So if I do this, it's on my screen, but if I do this, it's on my headphone, and that's exactly what I want. So click on it and then do OK, and probably now it will work. But when it's still not working, we go to Start, Settings, and then on Settings, we go right here to System, Sound. And then here at output, make sure that you select the correct output surface, and also make sure that the volume of your output is high enough. So this is the last solution. Hopefully one of these helped you out. For now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.